We all want to feel good, right? It's a universal desire to be happy and full of energy. But did you know that what we eat plays a huge role in how we feel every day? Eating healthy food helps us do just that. Fresh fruits, vibrant vegetables, and wholesome grains are packed with nutrients that our bodies crave. When we nourish our bodies with good stuff, we feel happier, have more energy, and can do the things we love. Imagine waking up every day feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world. Think of food as fuel for your incredible body. Just like a high-performance machine, your body needs the best fuel to function at its peak. Just like a car needs the right petrol, our bodies need the right food to run smoothly. Without it, we can feel sluggish and tired. Eating healthy isn't about boring diets. It's about exploring a world of delicious and nutritious options that can make every meal exciting. It's about enjoying delicious food that makes us feel amazing. Sharing these meals with loved ones can make the experience even more special. So, are you ready to learn some simple tips to eat healthy and feel fantastic? It's easier than you might think, and the benefits are endless. Let's get cooking up some happiness. Together we can discover the joy of eating well and living our best lives. Let's talk about balanced meals. A balanced meal is essential for maintaining good health and providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. Imagine your plate is divided into sections. This visual guide can help you ensure you're getting the right mix of nutrients. Half of your plate should be filled with colorful vegetables like broccoli, carrots, or peppers. These vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are crucial for your overall health. 1/4 of your plate is for carbohydrates like brown rice or quinoa. These give you energy. Carbohydrates are your body's main source of fuel, especially for your brain and muscles during physical activity. The last quarter is for protein like chicken, fish, or beans. Proteins are the building blocks of your body, helping to repair tissues and build muscle. Protein helps your body grow strong. It also plays a vital role in the production of enzymes and hormones. Every meal doesn't have to be perfect, but aiming for this balance helps you get all the nutrients your body needs. Remember, variety is key. Including different foods in your diet ensures you get a wide range of nutrients. Try different fruits, vegetables, and proteins to keep your meals exciting. Experimenting with new foods can make eating healthy more enjoyable and sustainable. Here are some simple swaps you can make starting today. Swap sugary drinks for water. Water keeps you hydrated and helps your body function properly. Choose whole fruits over fruit juice. Whole fruits have more fiber, which is good for digestion. Try baked or grilled food instead of fried. This reduces unhealthy fats. Snack smart. Instead of reaching for chips, try nuts, yogurt, or a piece of fruit. Small changes make a big difference over time. Different foods have different superpowers. Each type of food brings its own unique benefits to the table, helping you to feel your best every day. Protein found in meat, fish, beans, and lentils helps build and repair your muscles. It's essential for growth and recovery, especially if you're active or working out regularly. Whole grains like brown rice and oats give you long-lasting energy. They are packed with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil are good for your heart and brain. These fats help reduce inflammation and support overall health. And don't forget about fruits and veggies. They are nature's multivitamins, providing a wide range of nutrients that are essential for your body. They're packed with vitamins and minerals to keep your immune system strong. Incorporating a variety of colors in your diet ensures you get a broad spectrum of nutrients. Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated. Simple, wholesome ingredients can make delicious and nutritious meals that are easy to prepare. Start with these simple tips and enjoy the delicious benefits of a happy, healthy you. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your overall well-being.